Yo, what's up squad? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. First video of the year 2023. I hope all of you are good. So it's a new year, which means new opportunities. For 2023, we all gotta go harder. I think my main goal for this year is to improve my life in all aspects, just get better, level up. And with that said, let's get started in today's video. As you can see, we got the S out. But before we get started, check this out. So we got the first hoodie drop of the year. We got the Building Visions hoodie in the black and the cream print. This is actually my second design that I ever made, and it's finally on a hoodie. Building visions is truly my mindset these days, and it's not just for cars, even though you want to have a vision on how you want your build to be, but also in life. So if there's anything that comes to mind that you see yourself doing, find a way to make that opportunity happen and truly live it. Like actually live what you want, your vision, and that's what I really relate to. So go copy your hoodie today, link in bio or www.shophighbeams.com. Limited sizes and quantities available. Help support the channel, help support the wave. Let's build visions together. And thank you guys for all the support up until this point. Let's get started in today's video. We got lots to cover. Let's get right into it. Alright, so because it's winter, it kind of forces you to plan your build out and stockpile some parts so you can get ready for the spring. And I got a ton of stuff to show you guys. I feel like this will give you an idea of what to expect for this year. I want to know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. So with that said, wait right here 1 second and boom. Y'all see that? Ton of stuff. There you have it. There's some of the stuff that I picked up lately. Got some deals on some of them, so we're gonna walk through each of them, reveal what I'm working with, and yeah, let's get started. I'm excited. The first thing we got on the list is this Workspell quick release. This is the Wrap Fix GTC quick tilt ball lock system. We got a lot going on over here. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So here it is, the Workspell quick release. Oh shit. So yeah, here it is. This is the Workspell quick release. Comes in 2 colors, black or silver. I thought silver would be best for the S since this is going in there. When I got my Momo steering wheel, I always wanted this mod, but I couldn't justify the price at the time. But now, found a deal on it. So this is gonna be installed soon. Stay tuned for this. Hope you guys like it. Should be interesting. All right, next up, we got this from Blocks. Let's open it up. Sticker. So this right here is nothing too crazy. This is called a front bump steer kit for the S2000, or also like a steering rack spacer. What no one tells you about these cars is so technical. When you slam them, it throws off the suspension geometry. So in the rear, you have to add the axle spacers to bring it back. And then in the front, you have to install these. These are the front bump steer kit. It corrects the bump steer when you lower it. And yeah, so these are gonna go in the car soon as I refresh the suspension. And then in this box, we got nothing too crazy, like I said, from Blocks. This is just, let's see if I can get this out. There we go. This is just a tunnel brace. This actually does nothing, absolutely nothing. It's just for looks, but got it on clearance. It was 20 bucks. Why not? Alright, so next up, let's talk about wheels. As some of you know, I recently sold my RPF ones and the new wheels came in. So wait right here 1 second. Let's check them out. So we got a package from Yokohama Wheel Design, Advan Wheels. This is my first time seeing it in the light. Yeah, let's check this out. Should be interesting. So like I said, this is my first time seeing it in the light. Are you guys ready for this? Fresh new wheels. Man, this is exciting. Pull this out. Almost there. Boom. Damn, these look hella clean in the light. These look so good. So this is a quick look at the wheel setup coming up. This is the Advan RG4. I believe these wheels came out near the end of 2021, so it's fairly new. I haven't seen a set on S2000 yet, not on the internet at least, but there's probably one guy out there who owns it. But yeah, I haven't seen it. I might be one of the first people to run it, but I can't wait to get it on the car. We know Advans look good on Hondas. Very track oriented, very functional, and nice and lightweight. So when we get to putting these wheels on, I will talk about the specs and everything like that. I'm also going to be ceramic coating it, so because it's white, I want to take care of it. So I will be making content on how to ceramic coat wheels. Yeah, I always get a lot of brake dust on the front, so this is guaranteed to get dirty. So we're going to protect it. Stay tuned for the new wheel setup. Can't wait. This one right here is a little bit unexpected, but let's pull this out. Oh my, bro, this is too fire. So this one right here, like I said, it was unexpected, but we got the Recaro, red Recaro seat. This is the pole position. S2000 owners, you already know what this is. Man, couldn't believe I pulled the trigger on this. This is something I really wanted for a long time. Finally gonna go with a bucket in the S. This is gonna be so sick. Finally ready to race. Gonna be gripped up in the seat. Damn, this is gonna look so good. S2000 Type R. Alright, so last but not least, this right here. You can't have seats without having seat rails. So this right here is PTI seat rails. It comes with all the hardware, the bracket, everything you need to mount a seat into a car. So that's what this is. I got a good deal on this. Yeah, these were unexpected, but had to pull the trigger. Always wanted these dream seats for the S2000, and we're gonna do that this year. This is all part of the build. Hope you guys can see the vision. So there you have it. Those are some of the parts I picked up over the winter. Mainly this stuff is going on the S. Stuff for the JZX is coming later. I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what to expect for 2023. Like I said, we gotta go harder. I'm not here to flex on anyone or anything like that. I'm still grinding, I'm still working hard. In this box right here, this is just the coilovers, the front coilovers that I still have to put in on the S. The reason why it's not on the car, we do have some bad bushings in the front control arms, so I gotta work on that. Lower the car, put the wheels on. We got stuff to do this year, so let me know your thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's hit 10K soon. I will catch you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.